At first glance, this looks like a strange new tech trend. But these people aren't filming vlogs or making TikToks. They are working. They are part of a hidden global workforce teaching AI how to navigate the physical world. Welcome to the data factories of India. Here, thousands of anonymous workers are being paid to feed artificial intelligence models, using specialized 3D depth cameras and body trackers. Every single muscle movement, depth calculation, and object interaction is logged into a massive database. Simple tasks like sorting objects by color or picking up a glass require immense spatial awareness, something AI-powered robots drastically lack. By recording millions of hours of real-world human data, these workers are essentially building a digital blueprint of human labor. And here is the end result. AI models take this human data to train autonomous robots to fold clothes, clean homes, and manage factories. In the world's most populous nation, the tech boom has created an entirely new economy of data annotation. But it leaves us with an unsettling question. Are these workers building a better future, or are they training the very machines that will replace them? What do you think? Let me know below.